don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my FANS Wethu TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. Bafana 3, Zimbabwe 2. I'm joined by Baba the Hunter.
Steve Ovatse.
I'm Nandi.
Sharp, brah.
Yeah.
Let me take a step back before we move forward.
Yes.
I saw in the comments people coming at me on my thoughts on whether we had a penalty or not.
Yeah.
In our previous game against Egypt.
Yes.
My comment was that the man was falling. And I see people saying, yeah, he wasn't falling, he was trying to slide. He wasn't falling, he was trying to slide. But let's be technical here, guys.
Yes.
In order to slide, mustn't you fall to the ground?
Yeah, you fall.
Come on, man. It's what I was talking. Of course, he didn't fall. Nobody tripped the guy. There was no diving involved. He wasn't falling down. You are slide tackling, man.
Yes. So obviously you hit the ground, you go down.
And you going down. That's where the hand goes, my man. Anyway, some people who know better than me, they helped us later on by explaining the rule to the hand on the floor and what. And today we saw the example in the VAR decision that this man's hand again hit the ball, but it was not supporting him in any way, shape or form.
Yes.
He was making his body big.
And that was a penalty.
Exactly. We got to benefit. What a game.
Yeah, it was a nice game.
What a game.
Nice game.
What a game. I anticipated a challenge.
Yes.
I anticipated a challenge. I wouldn't have predicted the scoreline though.
Yeah.
I knew we would have won at a tight margin.
Yeah.
But not with 5 goals.
Yeah, but that was a back-to-back.
5 goal throw. Hey, man. 5 goal throw.
No one was letting up.
You see what I'm saying? And that's what I anticipated from Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
Also, let's be real. Statistically, there was still a calculated chance that they could qualify if they won the game. So they were fighting for a victory.
Yes.
With good reason.
Yeah.
With good reason. Good reason. And isn't it also some of the best number 3s from the groups are going to go into the round of 16 as well?
I didn't know that.
You count how many groups there are.
Okay.
If I'm not wrong, it's only 6. 6 times 2?
6 times 2 is 12.
So we're going to the round of what?
60.
Exactly. 4 of the number 3s.
Oh.
The best qualifying number 3s.
Oh, okay. They'll also be included.
They'll be included. So they were fighting. Even if they didn't actually make it and they shared points with us and we still topped them somehow mathematically, there would have still been a chance for them. So good job to them. I would give the man of the match actually to their goalkeeper.
Yeah.
That man put on a fight.
He was nice behind
that guy put on a fight. I believe he's from the PSL.
Yeah, he is.
Is it Gallants? Yeah, he's from...
His name is what? I just forgot. Yeah, Arobi.
The guy put on a performance of hell.
Yeah.
A performance of note, my man.
Yeah.
Also, running back to the comments and again, conversations I've had since the last interview.
Yes.
I also said people are asking the question, what's this man's contribution, Foster?
Yes.
What's his contribution to the team?
Favorite
Somebody made a very valid point that I can't bash the boy for. Off the ball movements. That contributes to the game as well. We don't always see it tracked by the camera because we're tracking the ball.
Yes.
But off the ball movements also has a massive contribution to the game.
Major.
Somebody said it today and it actually saw itself to fruition. They said when you give Lyle 3 chances, he's definitely going to score 1.
He's
You give any other one of our strikers a 3 chance opportunity, we're not guaranteed that he's going to score 1. Lyle is guaranteed he's going to score 1. Look at the header he scored, my man, with a broken lip. He got us a goal.
Yeah. From nothing.
They tore his lip up, my man, in order for him to get the victory. So today maybe answers the question as to why he's part of the team.
The off the ball movement.
New question. Is Ronan the best goalkeeper in South Africa? I'm not going to answer that question now. Now I'm just saying, I'm asking the question. I won't answer it now. People are going to help me understand it. Because when it comes down to it, shot stopping. We've seen it in Sundowns now. We've seen it in Bafana as well. When it comes down to it, the shot stopping isn't always there. Isn't always as consistently there as you would need a goalkeeper. What's his most valuable contribution is play. Give him the ball at his feet. He's going to contribute to the game. He's going to come deep. He's going to read and do all of those things, which is extremely valuable to a team who wants to win all the time. But the shot stopping ability, it's a bit questionable. Nothing else from me. I'm looking forward to what's coming next to us. The team today showed me a combined effort, which I'm grateful for. It wasn't necessarily one individual that stood out above the rest. Everybody showed that they were hungry to get us this result, and the result came.
Yeah.
I did give you my man of the match. How's Waggy?
Thank you very much. Aye.